Welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing Squarespace, a popular website building platform designed to help individuals and businesses create professional websites without needing to write a single line of code. Whether you're launching a blog, setting up an online store, or building a portfolio, Squarespace aims to make the process smooth and visually appealing. Squarespace offers a wide selection of beautifully designed templates, which are fully customizable to suit your brand or personal style. Users can easily adjust layouts, fonts, colors, and images using a drag-and-drop interface. The platform also includes built-in features like blogging tools, e-commerce support, appointment scheduling, and even podcast integration, making it suitable for a wide variety of use cases. One of Squarespace's strengths lies in its all-in-one approach. Hosting, SSL security, domain registration, and customer support are all bundled together, eliminating the need for multiple third-party services. SEO tools, marketing integrations, and analytics are also built into the dashboard, helping users manage their online presence effectively from one central place. Performance-wise, Squarespace websites are optimized for mobile and desktop, ensuring fast load times and responsive design across devices. Users can preview their site on different screen sizes to fine-tune the experience before going live. The platform also supports digital product sales, subscription services, and donation options for creators and nonprofits. Pros of Squarespace include professionally designed templates, all-in-one functionality, responsive design, and ease of use for beginners. Cons include slightly limited flexibility for advanced developers, higher pricing compared to some competitors, and a learning curve for certain features like styling and layout control. Overall, Squarespace is an excellent choice for users looking for a polished, streamlined website building experience. It's particularly well-suited for creatives, small businesses, and entrepreneurs who want both design and functionality without diving deep into technical complexities. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.